It is important for us to have an income, to have money coming in, so we can take small amounts of money every time we get some money, put it away to the side and save it. It adds up over time. Yes, your income can help you to save money for an emergency fund, which is very important to have. And I have this 52-week savings challenge that you can join me to help you get your emergency fund started and to keep it going. So join me in this 52-week savings challenge where we're taking small amounts of money, putting it away to the side and saving it, and it's adding up over time. So stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. Thank you for stopping by. Wanda is my name and saving money is my game. If you're not saving for emergencies, let's make it yours too. Let's save more in 2025. Let's save more money in 2025, and we'll be glad that we did. And I'm asking if you will subscribe to this channel, click the thumbs up button, drop me a comment and let me know, what do you think of this video? Is it helpful? Is it a great idea? I'm very curious to know. And would you share this video, because there may be someone that could use this content also. And would you click the notification bell so you may be notified every time I upload a new video. I want to say thank you for being here. Welcome to everyone, and I hope everyone is doing well. And if you're participating in this particular savings challenge, let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. Yeah, because I'm happy for you if you're saving money for an emergency fund, which is very important to have. I can't stress that enough. They come and they can't be avoided, and we want to have money to tap into. Now, I have 7 savings challenges, and today's savings challenge is savings challenge number 4, which I do on Thursdays. And what you need for this savings challenge is money, which is 2 rolls of quarters, $10, $20. Now, when you agree that's a small amount of money, yeah. And then you also need some kind of container to keep the money in. Now, this is a money bag, and I call this my money bag savings challenge. And you don't have to get one of these. You can get any kind of container to keep yours in. But if you want to get one of these, I have found these on eBay and Etsy. Yeah, for around $24.99. But I got mine from the bank a long time ago. I used to go in there every payday, and I would get rolls of quarters, dimes, nickels, and all of that. That's how I would save money. And they gave me 2 bags, and this one just happened to have quarters. And the savings challenge is to save, the goal is to save $1,000, and that's what this says on her. $1,000, and it says quarters. Now, when I got this bag, I didn't realize that. And so now that when I started doing these savings challenges, it came to my mind to do this particular savings challenge with rolls of quarters. And I thought, and this bag came to my mind, so I pulled it out and I thought, wow, boy, I tell you, God is all knowing. He knows everything. He knows what's going to happen before it happened and when it's going to happen. And I believe he gave me this bag because he knew I was going to be doing these savings challenges. I didn't know I was going to. This has been years ago. I've been had this for a long time. And I had another one. I don't know what I did with it. Yeah, but anyway. So yeah. So that's what you need. Something to keep the money in. Okay? And this is a savings challenge. Now, this one I started over in November of 2024, and I carried it over. I had started in the beginning of 2024, and I finished it in October 2024. So I started over in November last year, and I just completed it. Carried it over to this year. So this one is going to be completed probably around the end of October also. Yeah, so if you've been following me, hopefully you have this much money. Or maybe you may have more. Now, we're working with 2 rolls of quarters, which is $10, $20. Now, if you want to do more, you can do more. I also often say, don't put yourself in any bind. Do what you can when you can and how you can. Okay? You just want to make sure you save money for emergency, so you won't have to go out and get this. Oh, my bag is falling. And run up a bunch of these. Okay? All right. These savings challenges and these videos is not teaching us to build wealth. That's a whole nother topic and a whole nother video. Okay? But it is teaching you to save money for emergency. And that's why I'm creating these videos, because I'm coming across people who are not saving for emergency. You know, working every day, making money. And, you know, a lot of them may be in this situation, but no, the ones that I'm coming across are not in this situation. You know, sometimes we just don't even have a mind to do it. Like, that's how I was. I didn't have a mind to save. Oh, but I had a mind to shop. I had a mind to buy clothes. I had a mind to buy things that I didn't need to be buying. Yeah, so no more. I got my stuff together. So this is a great savings challenge if this is your situation, because like I said, it's working with small amounts of money. And if this is your situation, because it's working with small amounts of money. But do whatever you can to change that. If this is your situation, find ways to increase it or have multiple streams of income. You can become an entrepreneur. You can start a business. Do something. Okay? Talk is cheap. It takes money to buy land. Yes, it do. Now, the goal is to save $1,000, and that will cover emergency up to $1,000. Okay? Now, we don't want to save just that. We want to save 3 to 6 months of our living expenses. Sit down and calculate what your living expenses are for the month. Write it down and look and see how much money is coming in, how much is going out, and start eliminating things on there that you don't need. Okay? Because sometimes that's the case. We're buying things we don't need. We want to live on less than what we make. If you make $1,000, live on half of that. We want to watch our spending. We want to stay out of this because it's not free money. We pay a hefty price called interest. We want to have good behavior with money, and we don't want to spend money like there's no tomorrow. Okay? I realize we have things that we have to do. Things come up, but still we want to have good behavior with money. And if you try to do whatever you can to pay this off, that would help you also. I have my other card is on the floor. I'll just leave it there for that today. Okay, so yeah, now, and we want to make sure we stay out of this, because like I said, it's not free money. Okay, but this can help us to get passive income, and when we have passive income, that can help us to be financially free. And another thing, eating out all the time is expensive. Go to the store and buy food and meal prep. And while you're at the store buying food, if you're somebody that likes this coffee or like to go through this drive-through, you can buy this and make your own and have more coffee and spend less money. Okay? All right. Yeah. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and count and see how much those of you who are following me with this particular savings challenge, have saved. So let's go ahead and count and see how much we have. Okay? And then we're going to add these two. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 300. Okay. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 400. Always make sure y'all keep tape for these because 2 of them had bust open when I went in here this morning. I had to rewrap them and tape some. Was that 300 or was that 400? Oh, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 500. Oh, I think I counted that wrong. I'm not counting this over. I know how much is supposed to be here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 600. Okay. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 700. Oh, I think I counted. Oh, let's see. 700. Okay. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 800. Okay, no, I think it's right. Okay. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Something's not right because it should be 860. I counted something wrong. Okay. But I know, let's see. Okay. It should be $860 in here. Okay. Woo. Okay. I'll count this over after. So, because it's supposed to be 860, 70, 80. I don't know what I did wrong, but I'm not counting it over. I'm just going to add this in here. Okay? All right. Okay, so today is Thursday, August 28th, and this is our money. And that pen don't work. Okay, let's see if this one works. That don't work either. And I got some pens over here. Money, bag, savings, challenge. We added $20, and the total amount is $880. I don't know what I did wrong, but because I haven't touched this money, so yeah. So this is how much we should have. $880. I'll count it over after I get stop filming. Yeah, so okay, I see what I did wrong. When I was taking the quarters out, I had one more laying over here that I didn't put with these. Okay, so yeah. So the total is $880, and here's the extra one that I didn't have. Okay? All right. Thank you for stopping by. I hope this video is helpful. I hope you got great value out of it. Drop me a comment, let me know if you're doing this savings challenge or any of the other savings challenges, and let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. You all have a safe, wonderful day, and happy savings. I'll catch you in the next video.